Kapoor's son, Harshvardhan's debut film, Mirzya, is all set to release.
But is the young actor weighed down by his surname? Well, we did ask him that question.
I'm going to ask you this often asked question. It's the surname Kapoor. I mean, the Kapoors are the ones, like whether it be that first family, the other Kapoors, or the other Kapoors,
Right.
your part. I mean, they basically run the film industry. So does the surname carry a lot of weight?
I don't know actually. I think maybe, I mean, it's obviously very, we're doing a lot of films right now, all of us individually. But I think the kind of time is gone where somebody would go to the cinema and pay money for a ticket just because of that. I truly believe that, I think you're as good as your material, and you're as good as how good, I mean, what people take away from your performance is what they're going to see on screen. They're not going to be blinded by anything else. They're actually going to be more critical, if anything. Maybe 20, 25 years ago, it would have made a bigger difference. But I think now, with young people exposed to films and television from all over the world, be something special now, I think, to get people excited like they would have been 8 or 10 years ago, I think. So it's a different landscape completely.
So how influenced are you by your dad? Because he's like, they say, forever young, the forever young Kapoor. Be it his kind of cinema or him as a person, because he's got this unwavering spirit. He's not the kind who's going to hang up his boots.
I don't think in the kind of films, because I've grown up on different films, and I don't even think in the kind of person that he is, because I'm more broody and I feel bad for myself and think a lot and contemplate, and I'm very pensive, and so I'm just a different personality completely. He's more kind of upbeat and
so is your sister. So you're very different from the two of them.
Yeah, I think so. I would
So
say.
we wouldn't see you do say like a no entry or welcome back.
I don't think so.
Not at all?
I don't think so. I don't think that day will come. I really don't.
So we'll see you more like in the Parinda kind of space then, like.
Yeah, but I mean, I'd like to do a comedy, but different. I think something different. And yeah, I mean, I don't think no entry and all those kinds of things.
Well, there he said it.